Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to start making money as a beginner photographer. Now before we get into that, if this is your first time here, my name is Femi and welcome to the Capital Men channel, where we talk about photography, videography, lifestyle and everything in between. So if that sounds interesting, don't feel shy, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and let's get into this video. So guys, the first point on my list is shoot for free. Now I know you guys will be like, why are you telling me to shoot for free? This video is about making money. Listen to me. Now if you decide to become a photographer today, no one is going to give you their money if you don't have any pictures to show them of previous work. So what you need to do is go and collaborate with people, and get enough pictures. Take pictures, go for walks, go for events and shoot for free. Once people see that you have good work to show, then they can now trust you a little bit more with their money. So how I did it was, when I got to university in 100 level, I started taking pictures of my classmates for free with my phone, my Pixel. I started taking pictures of my classmates with my phone for free. I used to edit them, give it to them. I used to take pictures of the buildings in school, the architecture and all that. And people liked it. So people actually started calling me, and believe it or not, I used to actually charge people with my phone before I got my camera. So yeah, that's how I started. And when I got my camera and I started charging a little bit more, and that's how I just kept on going. So I believe that's the best way to start. So start shooting today. So after you've taken the first step of shooting for free and having and gathering enough, work and images, the second action for you to take is to go and work with local businesses around you. So there are a lot of local businesses around your neighborhood who have online websites or social media accounts that need to be filled up with beautiful images, your work. So what you have to do is just walk around your estate or your community and go and look for businesses and go and speak to them informally, not like you're trying to get money from them, but just explain to them that you can actually provide value to them by giving them beautiful images that will draw in customers. And when you're going, make sure you go with like your phone or your tablet or your laptop, the place where you keep your images, so you can actually show them, because no one is going to actually listen to your explanations if you don't have any pictures to show them. So the third point on my list is get gigs as an assistant photographer. So literally go on Instagram and DM photographers that you like that are in maybe your state or your city, and tell them that you would love to assist them and just learn under them. You don't necessarily have to get money from them, and most of the time you probably don't want to tell them that they're going to pay you, because why would they want to pay you? What I did was I just told them that I work for free, I just want to learn under you and assist you. And they also appreciate that. Make sure that you take the first step that I listed, which is shoot for free, so you can have enough images to show. So for example, if you DM Mike Visuals now or Peter McKinnon and you tell them that you want to work under them just to assist and learn, and they go on your page and they see that you don't have any pictures, they're probably not going to reply your DM. But if they go to your page and they actually like your work, that is a bonus, because they would love to have you under them. So that's how I got a lot of replies from other photographers, because when they went to my page, they liked my work, and it just made the process easier for me. Now the fourth point on my list is selling your photos on stock websites. Now if you have a sizable portfolio of images, you should consider selling them on stock websites. These stock websites, these businesses, they gather millions of videos and pictures and sell them to other businesses and individuals. In return, the photographer gets a certain amount, a percentage, every time his or her picture is downloaded or bought by these companies. The amount per download is usually low, but it differs between stock sites. So I would advise you to focus on quantity and quality, but focus more on quantity when you're working with stock sites, so you can have and pump more content into these websites, so that you can have more chances of getting your work bought by companies or other individuals. You have to sign up for these stock sites first and make sure that you read the guidelines carefully, because a lot of these stock sites actually forbid you to share the same images with other stock sites. Now once you've done this, start feeding your account and start cashing. Okay, I'm just joking. Start making money. The last tip on my list is share it on social media. So how can you be a photographer and then when people go to your Instagram, they don't see your pictures, they see selfies of you in your house with your dog and unrelated to photography, except you have a separate page. But if you have a separate page, it's still valid. Make sure you have a social media account where you post your pictures so that people can find you, so you can grow a community, so that when people see your images and they like it, when they want to shoot like a wedding or a birthday shoot or whatever, and they saw that you had nice pictures on your page, they'll probably call you. You'll probably be the first person that they think about. And you don't have to have like 100,000 followers or 600 you don't even have to have 100 followers. Imagine you have 30 followers. Those are 30 potential clients or customers. So make sure you put in your effort when you're posting your pictures on social media, and the sky is the limit. Please leave a comment below and let me know what other tip you think people should take to start making money as beginner photographers. So we've come to the end of today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Daniel_Are. I'll leave the link in the description below. Now I'll see you guys next time.